Welcome to the fifth in a series of video modules for the Consumer Products Reporting Tool, the data collection tool for the 2013 survey. Prior to importing products in the CPRT, I need to complete the CPRT import template. This module number 5 describes how to use the CPRT import template to import product information data into the CPRT. A template can be found at the 2013 survey webpage. So we'll download the template and then open it. And we'll read the instructions on the first tab, then click on the Enable Edit button to allow editing. Click on the Product Fields Worksheet tab and review the text on the page and delete it. Each header column has a red tab on the top right-hand corner. As you hover over it, you can read specific instructions for that column. These instructions are similar to the survey instructions and will not interfere with saving the file as a CSV once the data is entered. Now I'll switch to a completed template and go through each column. If the product information is confidential, type in true in the first column. Enter the name of the product as it appears on the label and the UPC number. For a kit, enter the number of items in the kit. These products are not part of a kit, so I enter 1 as a default. Enter group and formula names. As you can see, Linen Fabric Refresher and Great Fabric Refresher are part of a group, so their group name and formula must match the group and formula name listed in the CPRT's product grouping screen. See the module on product grouping for more information. In the Who Provides the Formula column, enter Self as the responsible party. As you can see, a formula for Great Oven Cleaner will be provided by Formulator A, which is the name provided in the CPRT formulator screen. The label file column corresponds to image file field in the product information screen in the CPRT. Don't forget to enter the image file name for each product or group and include the image file type like .pdf or .ps or .jpg, etc. Enter UPC units sold in 2013. For a multi-pack, enter the number in the pack. If not a multi-pack, enter 1 as default. The first product is part of a 2-item multi-pack, the rest are not. Enter the mass and volume filled and the product density and the size on the label for each product. In the next 4 columns, we'll choose a sales method, the product delivery method, product form, and product relation. Be sure to enter your choice exactly as written in the instructions field for each column. Enter other information or NA if not applicable, and choose a category code from the 2013 survey category code list. Enter the fragrance name as provided by the fragrance formulator. If there's no fragrance, leave it blank. Enter the fragrance formulator for this product. As you can see, the fragrance formulator for this product is Fragrance House C, which matches the fragrance formulator name given in the CPRT. So now we'll enter the fragrance tracking sales code as provided by the formulator. So for The first product, which is Great Oven Cleaner, you can see that the minimum dilution is 0, the maximum dilution is 4, and the diluent is water. For no dilution, you can leave these cells blank. Enter comments if necessary, or leave it blank. So now we'll save our completed template as a CSV file and make sure to close it so that it will import. And so we'll save it as a CSV. And we'll save our changes. Okay, so now we can go to the CPRT Enter Import menu. And now the responsible party, formulator, including fragrance, and product grouping fields are all completed. Now the Import Products button can be used. Prior to importing CSV files, make sure that the formulator and grouping fields are complete or they will not upload correctly. Do not delete column names, change the header names, or the order of the columns. If you do any of these things, the import will not work. Click on the Import Products button. Now choose a file to import. Okay, so we have our file and we hit OK and click OK. And there were no errors in this report, but had there been errors, you would want to fix them and try to import again. And do not leave any empty fields. If a field is not applicable, enter NA and delete any extra rows. The blank rows can be seen in the error report and deleted in the template. Once the errors are corrected, the error report will show what we just saw. No errors found, appending records. Then we'll click OK and our import is complete. So now we can check by going into the products page to click on the drop-down. And you can see our products there. So now that we've completed the import, we can now complete formulation or ingredient information. Formulators should listen to Modules 6 and 7. Module 6 describes how to enter ingredients into the CPRT using the interactive data entry feature, and Module 7 describes how to enter ingredients using the import template. If you are not the formulator, continue to Module 8.